transmission system is the control center of every car. Without that box of gears, we'd get nowhere. Because of this, automobile engineers make every effort to enhance the fun of driving through creative designs. Dual-clutch or direct shift gearboxes with up to 8 speeds are currently considered the ultimate in automotive engineering. They also help save fuel and reduce exhaust and CO2 emissions. The more complex the requirements of the engine and transmission, the more they depend on a small and silent running component in the drivetrain, the piston accumulator. This cylindrical component ensures that gear shifting operations remain smooth.
The
advantage of our hydraulic piston accumulator is that hydraulic energy can be stored. As a consequence, the oil pump doesn't need to run consistently, meaning that energy is provided in the short term to the transmission system, enabling almost imperceptible gear changes. Thus, we save energy, which manifests itself in fuel consumption. Small component, major impact. How does a piston accumulator work? In a hermetically sealed cylinder with the help of a piston, hydraulic fluid puts gas, mostly nitrogen, under pressure and compresses it. If liquid is now removed, the gas expands again, passing the energy stored under compression to the piston. The production of this piston accumulator requires the highest precision. Even the smallest speck of dust will, over time, eventually cause the gas-tight seal ring on the piston to leak. This is why production is carried out in a clean room atmosphere. A fully automated robot assembles the components of the piston accumulator and fills it with gas, all in a single step. A lot of effort, but well worth it. If it is not accidentally damaged, the piston accumulator will last as long as the car.